Hello everyone, this is Christy. Today I'm going to show you new supplies that I received from HTVRONT, and I'm going to show you all the projects that I made with them. This is the mini heat press machine, and it's great for beginners. It comes with a user manual and also this small bag that you can decorate and put your machine in there. And here is the mini heat press, and it comes in different colors. I got this teal one, and it has an ergonomic handle. Here is the power button, and it has 3 settings. And the heating plate works great for small and medium projects. And here is the insulated safety base to keep your heat press while you are working. This is a package of multicolor vinyl and the size is 10 by 12. And I highly recommend these bundles for beginners because you get a lot of different colors. Here are the instructions that you get, and it's very important that you read them all. And here are the different colors of the vinyls. And remember that these are heat transfer vinyls. As you can see, there are some metallic colors, some chameleon colors. You get a little bit of different kinds of vinyls that you can use. And also these glitter vinyls, they are with a soft finish. And as you can see, there are like these colors that you can use for many seasons. Also these holographic vinyls, and this one as well. Those are like samples of the different designs, and also 3 sheets of Teflon in this bundle and a large variety of colors. And this is a lot for many projects, and you can iron on these vinyls on different materials. Now I'm going to show you the Chameleon Htv Bundle. It comes with the instructions, and look at the colors. They are very vibrant, and it has a vivid gradient color. And all of the vinyls from HTVRONT are very easy to cut and weed. You will also get 1 Teflon sheet for this bundle. Here is another HTV, and it comes in a box with the instructions printed on it. And this roll is gold iridescence. And this roll measures 12 inches by 10 feet. And here is a roll of the Chameleon HTV, and it comes in a box like this with instructions printed on it. And this roll measures 12 inches by 30 feet. And this color is purple to cyan blue. And here is another roll from a Chameleon HTV, and this one comes like this with instructions inside, and it measures 12 inches by 10 feet. And the color is gold to green. Now I'm going to show you how I use the mini heat press and some vinyls in my projects. I opened the Cricut design space and I chose this design, and then when I'm ready, I'm going to click here where it says make it. Then choose the size of mat that you're going to use. And here is the first word that you're going to cut, and don't forget to click on mirror image. It's going to be on the side, and you can edit later. And as you can see, it reverses, and this is the material that I'm going to cut. Then click on everyday iron on, and you can start cutting. It cuts very fast in the Cricut machine, and after your project is done, it's going to show you that it's done, and then you go to the next layer and you will see the other words that you can cut. Don't forget to mirror the image, and every time that you use HTV, don't forget that you have to put the glossy side down on the mat. And as you can see, here are the 2 pieces that I'm going to cut, and now I'm going to show you how to weed. I like to cut all the pieces first, and then I put them on the mat and start weeding them when I'm going to iron on. Using the weeder tool, you can pick everything that it's not part of your design, and make sure that you took everything. As you can see, the work was complete, and I will continue with the other two. I used the regular vinyl that came in the big bundle, and I love how it cuts very easy. And I used the regular cutting blade for the metallic, glitter, holographic, or chameleon, and the regular heat transfer vinyl. I'm done weeding all the pieces, and I'm going to get this canvas bag, and I'm going to set the temperature on the mini heat press, and it turns green when it's ready, and you can preheat the item for 5 to 10 seconds. Then I'm going to get the vinyl that I'm going to put, and I got this one that goes in the center, and I iron on directly on the transfer sheet for a few seconds, and then I put the Teflon sheet and I put pressure and keep ironing on for about 30 seconds because this metallic vinyl is thicker than the regular one. Then let it cool down and peel. Now I'm going to use a regular vinyl for the other two words. And this vinyl is thinner than the metallic one, and I just iron on for about 15 seconds. But I put pressure because the canvas is a thick material and you have to put pressure to bond them together. And after I'm done, I wait for about 10 seconds to cool down and peel the transfer sheet. And I'm going to use this bag to storage my mini heat press machine. I will show you other items that I iron on using the vinyls from HTVRONT. Here I'm pressing a regular HTV vinyl, and the next piece is a metallic vinyl, and I need to pressure a little more and ironing on a higher temperature and for a longer time. Then you have to let it cool down before you peel the transfer sheet. And this is how it looks, my bag. This mini heat press is wonderful when you work with multiple colors of vinyls. Like this one right here is a t-shirt. So you can make from something small to something big. And as you can see, I just added one word in the center. And you can start on the top or on the center and add the other items that go around. When you pull the transfer sheet, you can notice if any part is not bonded. So you just put the transfer sheet on top and then iron on for a little more. And for pieces that are small like these ones, I iron on directly on top of the transfer sheet so I can press only on that small item. And when I use the Chameleon vinyl, I used to press for about 30 seconds. Wait to cool down before you peel the transfer sheet. Then, if you have a very small design, you have to use the Teflon sheet to protect the other items from burning. I used Chameleon vinyl for the word Faith in the Mountains, and for the pink one is a metallic vinyl, and this one that says mountain is a regular vinyl, and you will see the difference when I finish this project. The Chameleon vinyl is shiny and changes colors when you move it, and the metallic one is shiny but it doesn't change the color, and the regular vinyl is matte. Now I'm going to decorate this large canvas bag, and I'm going to use regular vinyl and also the metallic one. You can also use a regular iron if you don't have a mini heat press, but these vinyl from HTVRONT are the best. I love all the projects that I made, and I highly recommend these products. HTVRONT has amazing reviews on Facebook and also in their website. I also made another review on a heat press machine from HTVRONT, And you can find the link to the video in the right side in the upper corner. I decorated many t-shirts and I already washed them and used them. And the vinyl looks very nice. It doesn't peel or shrink. I'm almost done with this bag. I just need to put one more word that I cut on metallic vinyl, and this color is gold iridescence, and the metallic vinyl is a little thicker than the regular vinyl, and I had to put more pressure, and I set the temperature a little bit higher, and I press for 30 seconds, but be careful with the areas that you already done. I love this bag, and I will carry all my projects undone here. Last, I decorated this hat, and for the support that I'm going to use, I got this pan. This is a 6 inches pan, and I'm going to put a towel around. This one is a small towel, and as you can see, I just put on top, and then I put the hat on top, and I try to put it tight inside. If you need more, you can add another towel, so it doesn't move when you iron on. And when you are done, you are going to start with a vinyl that goes at the bottom, and you're going to use the mini heat press, and you're going to press for about 30 seconds or maybe 40, but you have to move from one side to the other and make sure the vinyl is bonded to the hat. And you will know that it's done when the transfer sheet is off the hat. Now I added the other word on top, and I'm going to start on the right side, and I'm going to press. Then when I'm done, I'm going to do the left side of the hat, and be extra careful that not touching the vinyl that it's already done. You can use the transfer sheet and put it in the center and finish pressing. Now my hat is done and it looks so cute. Let me know in the comments which of these projects you like the most. You can find all the links of these materials in the description box. Thank you very much for watching my videos. If you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.